Okay guys, this is the new Lair. Okay, so unfortunately, I don't have it completely set up like I was really hoping before I showed it to you, but I can't wait and I don't have time to set it all up. There's way too much that I'm taking care of in the house and everywhere else. So I'll get to it and you'll just see the evolution of it over time. This is also gonna be the last kind of vloggy style video I do. Then we'll be back into the completely normal stuff where we will be going over all the fancy gun stuff, Kydex holsters and various other things and ballistics gel and cool things this year. Anyway, so this is it. If you have any ideas on what you'd like to see me kind of put here, please put it in the comment section below. I've been thinking about doing what other people do and put guns on the pegboard, but the problem is garages, which is where this happens to be, are some of the areas that are more likely to get broken into. And if I just have guns lying around the pegboard, that doesn't seem like the greatest idea to me. So maybe if there's a good way to secure it, you know, put that in the comments below because I'd love to do that. Anyway, so let me show you around here. So I got a cool sign. Somebody gave that to me, one of my friends, so that's cool. Got a bunch of tools here, a lot of nothing there, some DIY green tools that are not where they're going to end up being, a lack of a press, which is right there. Yep, I'm working on that. All my dies are over there in that cupboard, so we're working on that. I used to have the screw-in die holders that I make that you can buy in the eBay link below. But now I'm going to do the pegboard ones here because I got pegboard. So if you want to buy my old screw ones, feel free to do that. I'll sell them for stupid cheap. The lighting in here is embarrassing at best. There's like 2 little light bulbs and that little fluorescent sucks in the cold, and then there's like one over there. So that's great. Anyway, guys, I really appreciate all the support that you've always given me. If you have any cool video ideas, please put in the comments below. I usually do end up getting to them eventually. Sometimes it takes me a long time, but I do get to videos that y'all suggest. And I'll see you on the next one.